Child support is calculated on the child support guidelines. Child support guidelines take into consideration a couple of different factors. The primary factor is the gross income of each party. The gross income is the income that a party gets before taxes are taken out and any other deductions. So it's not what's net in your paycheck, it's what you make on a gross basis. The next factor in the child support guideline calculation is the cost of daycare and who's paying for daycare. The next factor is health insurance, and that's true whether you're paying for it privately or through an employer, whether you get it deducted from your paycheck. And the factor after that is the dental and vision. If a parent has a prior child support order, that's also taken into account. But in most cases where there's just a married couple getting a divorce and they are looking at the child support, obviously any previous child support orders aren't generally a factor. And then the next factor is the number of children involved. And so obviously the number goes up if there's 2 children involved versus 1 child, or 3 children versus 2 children. However, one of the common questions that I'm asked is, does it double, for instance, when there's 2 children, or does it triple when there's 3 children? That's not the case. It goes up in increments, and it's not doubled, it's just higher. And then, so the formula is a pretty well thought out formula. It was studied by the courts and judges and lawyers, and it's designed to give fairly uniform results to people paying child support.